Hey everybody, Schneider here.
That's
Listen,
when
I
I
want to share
saw
with you
the
something we did just yesterday. This is my buddy Lon from Max Carnival. Now, you know that we were supposed to have Bo's Extravaganza here this weekend, and you know if you've been here before that we always have a carnival. Well, it's Lon from Max Carnival that is always here. Well, yesterday, we obviously did not have the extravaganza. That's been postponed until July 18th and 19th, and we will have the carnival. But I want to show you what we had old Lon doing yesterday instead of running a Ferris wheel. Check this out. It's for Stand On It, and we're going to keep posting stuff about Stand On It. You take care. Yeehaw!
Just Google it. There'll be a picture of my truck. Let's take her on down the road, boys. How about we go westbound? Nobody ever goes westbound. But that's the only way you can go eastbound, isn't it? Hey, goddammit! All right, get them fingers ready. This one's for you. Just watch old boy run.
Actually, hang on! That's better. That's more Stand On It. Hang on! Ha!
I like to drive.